Great music by my brother Dikoo, and he's our next guest in the studio. Guys, still tune in to MS Live. This is MS24 TV, and we are live. I have my brother Dikoo in the studio. Broski, how you doing? Charlie, Charlie, Koso come on. Yeah. Broski, I love your tattoos.
Crazy.
So how many tattoos do you have on your body?
I don't really know. But
Really?
I just did.
Okay, so what pushed you to do tattoo?
No, nothing to push me. I say I won't do tattoo.
So you just go to the tattoo shop to get it?
Do one, yeah.
Okay. What's an interesting name? Dikoo. Wow. Yeah. Where did you get the name from?
Okay, actually, Dikoo is taken from Dixon. My real name be Dixon. You get me? Dixon Dankwa, so I just had to...
Dixon Dankwa?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So I just took Dikoo out of Dixon, yeah. Crazy.
Okay. And you just go with it.
Yeah.
Just go with it. And everybody's loving it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, if you say Dikoo, I shout, Yaga Yao. You get
What does it mean?
Nothing. Yaga Yao to be vibe. You get
Okay,
me?
so Dikoo.
Yaga Yao.
Dikoo.
Yaga Yao.
Wow. Charlie.
Bad guy.
So Dikoo, how long have you been doing music professionally?
Okay, I've been doing music for like 7 years now. You get me? Yeah.
7 years.
Yeah, 7 years.
It's been a rough and smooth journey.
Crazy.
Okay.
Sometimes it be sweet. That's why they out in life. But sometimes it will really be tough. But you see, sanity.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what really inspired you to get into music?
Should I say? Okay. Way back, should I say my mom? Yeah, my mom used to sing in church. Not a choir mother.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just love it every time. We sometimes too, anytime I go come house, my dad, they play Adolfo for them, there was song.
Okay.
Amachi the demo, so I just felt in love with music.
Okay.
Just like, music is from home.
Okay,
like,
so which church was that? Which?
Creature's Blessing, I check.
And where were you from?
Abeka.
Abeka.
Yeah.
Okay.
Crazy.
But where did you grow up?
Israel, Tabora.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you feel like growing up there has played a major role in your music influence?
Oh yeah.
And the message you put in your music?
Oh yeah. But I go bust you, you know say, then times I did Tabora there. You know?
Okay.
Now you know be music, like when people mostly they focus on football, like be football town, not really music.
Music.
So me, I play football.
Okay. Okay. So were you part of an academy, football
not really
academy?
Academy. See, way back we used to play coast teams.
Okay.
So I play ball small. So me, I felt like music was a calling. Okay. I just switched all of a sudden. Yeah.
That means you were playing football. Which position were you playing?
Oh.
Dikoo, catching me interest.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So what position?
Me party the crowd.
Hey, Kwesi Charlie dominated on the mom. Charlie, MS Live, you remember tournament, we'll call you. Me, I be Lewandowski, this house, everybody believe me. They believe me, wow, Lewandowski.
Crazy.
Lewandowski, Charlie, nice one. So
crazy.
it was football.
Football, the focus was on football. All of a sudden, it just switched to music. You get me? And way before football, I'm sorry, like I just sing for church. Oh yeah. I told you more sorry, but normal, we still sing in church.
Okay. So when you switched to secular music, did any of the church members reach out to you that Dikoo or Dixon?
Oh yeah.
You're singing in church. Why do you have to switch to secular music?
Oh yeah. Mostly it's the pastors that have been reaching out to me.
So at the beginning, how did you feel about it?
Oh, it's normal.
When they reach out to you that you are singing in the church.
All be church right now. Me
church.
Timmy cool. What a family, you know. Me preach at home. That's how it is.
Yeah, sorry, as there now the better no.
Like
I so you know kuni ya kwinte. I sorry there now the better cool.
Me don't you. See me nyum we. Ti bon mo den no chine bi beto ho nyum. Nshira de adom na dem a entie no dase ni bi keka we nyame asem. Nyame asem na make
preach na we men can say street preach.
Yeah,
Charlie, no. Wait, just for the street.
Yeah. And then for the streets, everybody like.
You get
me? Okay. I wouldn't say that you don't have to be in church only before I'll be to my you can sing anywhere.
Okay.
And normal. It's not software who preaching the same way I'm me preaching.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, so Dikoo, I want us to take it a little bit back. This might be the first time someone is watching you. Where did you school?
Okay. way back, we started from Liberty.
Liberty.
You call Perseverance in Saum.
Okay.
I mean, I do me any about Odogono senior high.
So what course were you doing in senior? I guess
science.
Science.
Yeah, science. Yeah.
Bro, you know what? I was going to mention general art or something.
Oh yeah. You know me science.
Science.
Me ya dia kakra. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And what was your electives?
Oh, I was doing elective maths, chemistry, physics, and IT.
Man.
Yeah.
And you were a rapper at the same time. Were you rapping in school?
Way back in school, I'm SU, 2 or gospel line.
Hey, Charlie, gospel need the one day church.
And I grew. Oh, most people know.
So your colleagues and classmates, if they hear of your music, doing like, let me say, rap music, doing high life, whatever genre you're doing, have they reached out to you on social media?
Oh, yeah.
As the pastors have reached out to you?
Oh yeah, most they text me. They be like, they are really proud of me, you see. Sometimes, they text me and they check up on me, most often. Way back school for and which church yeah.
Okay, so as a music person, which people did you grow up listening to?
Oh, TSA Kodiamo, Shatawalemo, Quademo,
yeah. Do you know one funny thing? When we are listening to Reasons, you know the reason why I asked you that, like, do you listen to Quade?
Oh yeah.
I feel like there's a bit of Quade in that song, especially how you I don't know how to put it, lack of a better word. You know what? How you even raise the bar with your harmony and everything. I felt Quade in it. So that's why I asked you that. Do you normally listen to Quade?
Yeah, I'm a godfather. So I'm teachers my
music.
Okay. They listen to them often. Wow,
Okay. So you said you have been doing music for 7 years.
Like 7 years.
That's a long journey.
Long journey.
Okay. So how is it paying off for you?
Kakra. Nyamiadum.
Okay. So what is the biggest achievement you have made out of music?
Oh, a lot. Baby.
Because hey, music, you know. See, I'm about Dikoo, Charlie, me person me music. See, me presenting na me, you know. Person me switching am the music. I want say me so more lover boy look like that.
I was calling no, and you just say me person me
calling no. Baby, I want to me rap na. Me rapper. Charlie Jai. Me rapper, broski. Rapper. My back Dikoo Charlie right now. I want day on a record label. Okay. So how are we going to go about it?
Oh.
And I want to make money out of it. Then I'd be pushing me, say, okay, music, you know, it pay off my nyawi. So what have you made out of music that's going to push me to get into it?
A lot. God bless you more than 20 a day. God bless you, no
yeah, God bless you. God bless. Man, can't physical, and yet spiritual blessings.
Hey, spiritual guy about that same physical, no. Oh, me don't.
Okay.
God bless you, no one. Dikoo, when you might me say,
I change your life.
Hey,
wow.
There be sometimes blessings doesn't just come physically; it just comes spiritually before a bit penny. So you get me? It's more like a way beyond saying that.
Okay.
It's happening.
Okay.
See, I don't have to mention say. Just keep doing what you are doing. It's going to pay off.
It's going to pay off. As it's paying off for you.
It's paying off.
Okay. So right now, stuffs or the music is paying off for Dikoo.
Yeah.
Okay. Right now, if a record label approach you that they want to sign you, what's one thing that will make you decline their offer?
I don't know. Just what the band senior men for one of I'm making kind of so right now because maybe me pay maybe me senior man so because this one be really hard Charlie and yes she like you get me okay I can't just say okay say na me pay no
okay
e buy anima e be hu say na be
nice one Dikoo we dey Ghana here I know you are cool with a lot of artists
oh yeah
okay And most of the artists too are signed to a record label. And you are independent artist, and it's paying off big time for you. So say me amu me baby hu na chale, ye to my bo, ano na chale, I music, crazy one, mad one. Guys, I'm just kidding. Okay, and they are in the space as well, and you feel like they are part of a record label, but things are not going on smoothly for them. Do you feel like it push you in a better space?
Me if nothing they push me, I just they do my thing. Me don't. Certain things be there. I'm not really in a haste for certain things. Like, I don't know if you really understand what I want you. Right now, I really focus on one thing. I do music.
Music.
It's not about getting a hit song. It's not about hopefully we could get them. It just be time.
Okay.
We they do they love my music and now I'm permanent.
I'm a donyom, bro. And just say me donyom.
It's the idea and kwana me pay you. Just loving my music is the best. And when he say. And I wait, DSA, and I wait. No, those things not really comparison. They same be brave. You hear me? So me certain things I just did. With the focus, you have to tone your money.
And one thing is that comparison stifle your growth.
Oh yeah.
As an artist.
Because you feel like you are better than this, you are better than this. Sign one, really could bring you down.
For real. The reason why I was asking you that is that you are independent and things are going on smoothly for you.
No,
actually making.
I wouldn't say I'm independent, just independent. People really day my back.
People day your back, they support you.
They support the thing.
Okay.
People mean person me both people really day my back.
Okay.
Not just me temen kwana me yard and David.
Okay.
More people day.
So I've seen you on a couple of platforms preaching about Trapan.
Oh yeah.
Trapan. And I was very curious to know what is this Trapan? Bro, what is Trapan?
Trapan is a genre, you get me?
It's a genre?
Yeah. Kakra. You get me? Like, you find say Afrobeat genre, say, like, you get me? We make a high life.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Okay. So I know Trapper. So what does the can stand for?
Like trap in a can, yeah.
Trap in a can, like okay. And when you local dialect,
you get me?
Oh, wow. And you're saying you need to me, you bro. And I ain't easy, sir.
Oh, easy. Oh, my dog. It be easy to do. Easy.
Okay. So it's easy. A genre. Okay.
Genre, yeah, be. Keshemu wa bonting.
Okay.
Kwabna safu day outside. You get me?
So artist Ben and I Trapan.
Kawabanga, me dog.
Kawabanga.
Yeah.
Okay. That really even. You know what? I'm going to ask you something. Last year, December, Kweku Smoke revival concert. There was this bro. Oh man, Dikoo. There was this brouhaha going on. I went to social media and I saw the video. What was going on between you and Reggie of Asaka Boys?
Oh, it was.
Or what is your issue between Asaka? What is going on between you and Asaka Boys?
We don't. Make I just see Asaka be one of
that is the video. Yeah. Here's the video. So Dikoo, what was really going on? What was the confrontation about?
We a movie. Everybody they ask for the a movie. Most of us on camera this is a movie. When you a movie, action movie. Bruce Lee, the same way.
But Dikoo, I don't see you to be the kind of person who chase clout.
Oh no.
Yeah. You don't chase clout. Even the kind of music that you do, what your music represents, you are not that kind of person.
Oh, no.
I don't see you to be that kind of person.
Not at all.
So maybe it might be a misunderstanding. I don't really know what happened. But at least you can play it safe. But what was going on? Was it a miscommunication or what?
Oh no, this is like, you get me, let's cut everything short. Like, we are all family. Sometimes certain things they happen. Like, you get me? And we are all family.
Family have misunderstanding and they move on.
They move on.
Yes.
You get me? As a car beth we, like, you get me? As a car wo and I answer
Trapakanaba.
And I Trapakanaba.
Yeah, for
you get me? So it's a family thing. Sometimes in same normal life. Family.
For real.
DNC that.
I mean, yeah. DNC that. Nice one. So what's your relationship with this guy? I'm going to mention his name. He's very good. I'm very cool with him. But I want to know from your end how cool you are with him. It was also at the revival concert. What's his name? Oh, let me try to recall. He has dread on. He was from US. I've forgotten his name. Showboy.
Showboy.
Yeah.
Oh,
the relationship with Showboy. This guy called Bomi. I'm very cool with him, and I just. Oh man, my goodness.
Hey, on the Papa no
yeah, Papa. Okay. Showboy. Hey, Charlie, my pretty Jeff. I call him Boy, and can you refeed dinner? Yeah, Showboy. Big shout out to Showboy. I mean, he's out with a new tape, Tactician. Guys, go on streaming platform, go support him, and add to your playlist. Yeah, right now, let's get into the new song, Lungu Lungu.
Lungu Lungu.
Bro, what does it stand for? What's the meaning of Lungu Lungu?
Oh, trap person they only Lungu Lungu. You guys say Lungu Lungu, and maybe a idea sometimes. Should I say, uko nima uko more lungus
Lungu.
Uko alaja uko more lungus.
Damn it, took crown I said then.
What I say, maybe a boy say like I say obrano na yes, you get me.
So for Lungu Lungu.
So for Lungu Lungu before you go reach wherever you want to go. Yeah.
That means it's not a smooth journey.
Never. We'll be a rich say smooth be no boy.
Okay.
Never be smooth.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what inspired you to write down the song? Is it your personal life or what people are going to, as you're saying, say, be lungu lungu?
Maybe my personal life.
Okay.
This music, real life thing, no lie.
Okay.
Yeah, real life. One day I just enter studio with Vampire. My boss be that.
Okay.
Yeah, I enter studio with them, he just they play beats, me a freestyle, say, hey, Yabadu. We will just knock him. How the song came about. Normal life, my real life, I wouldn't lie.
Okay, so what has been your toughest moment being part of this music space?
Whole lot too.
Okay. By then I'll be to me the to someone watching you, to your disciples, to your fans.
Yeah. Just keep doing you.
Keep doing you.
Keep doing you. Bring out everything the best you can, Charlie. No time. If you do waste time,
yeah.
More people they guard for back. Yeah,
okay.
That's all I can say.
Okay. So Dikoo, which of the Saka boys do you love to work with?
Oh, me Reggie self, I send out music. Oh yeah.
Okay.
With my family.
So should we expect it anytime soon?
Oh, nyame ya adoma. Nyame ya adoma. Oh, me I send out music. Oh.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we family.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know last year you drop a EP, a tape, which is that Trapan movement. Trapan movement.
Yeah.
Okay. How many songs were on the tape?
It has 2 songs on the tape.
2 songs. Yeah. Okay. Can you name them?
I have Come Forward.
Come Forward.
And On My Way.
On My Way. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice one. But with the Lungu Lungu, is it going to be off any tape this year?
Hopefully.
Or
right
just
now,
a single?
Right now it's a single. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a single. With time, we're hoping we can bring an EP or something.
But should we expect more tape?
More tapes, more singles.
This year, should we expect any?
Right now, we drop singles, small.
Okay.
No worry, with time.
Okay. Nice one. I really love it. So with the Lungu Lungu, can you give us a little bit freestyle?
Oh yeah.
That will push people to go listen to it on streaming.
Oh, then they listen themselves.
Okay.
Oh, me don't. Then they listen.
Yeah. But somehow they watch you, they feel your vibe, they feel your flow. So give us a little bit a cappella of freestyle.
What a calamity. That's the reality. High spirit vibes, Trapan, you know we filled with energy. Intini say in Quayanti dancing empire. I cannot be out without saying a prayer. In a painting, sounds no be a nobia. I ain't no be a nobia. We'll be up so soon. Your Kenyan arms mentie. You know I'm down with loop. Quine is why lungu lungu me shall quine. Quine is why lungu lungu me shall quine. Quine is why lungu lungu I lungu lungu. Ajeta.
Taneches.
Ajeta bedon.
Dikoo, my guy, bro. I'm just loving your vibe,
crazy.
Bro. So what was the biggest misconception you have heard about yourself? I was Charlie, I said I'm okay, the old gangster trapper candidate. I said I'm okay, found with the Charlie. That means you're a free-spirited person.
We really have fun.
Okay.
No time.
But then we're gonna say, Saman for the Susua, maybe right now you are cool with everything. What people say behind your back doesn't really bother you. Along the way, what do you think people are gonna say that is really going to get you hurt?
Someone can say Meshia, that be one thing I diverse about those things. Like that thing, if they tell me say how they do, or they pay me. But I know they do.
But I don't think I'm for ever have that misconception.
I don't know.
That you smoke.
Sometimes if you see me, nice guy, Meshia. I know they smoke. These things for sure. They do
okay.
And then one thing.
Yeah, but right now, also boys no like almost far red too much.
They be no take them bad.
Okay, so I want you to preach to them.
Me don't right. Here they preach. Don't take them. Never.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
So
say no to drugs.
Say no to drugs.
So there's no way Dikoo is going to preach about drugs.
No way. We just preach to them. Maybe one day.
I mean, even if I go into your archive, there's no any song you are preaching about.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Sometimes make them go check. I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Nice one. Yeah. Charlie, we have Dikoo in the build. So Dikoo, where can we reach you?
We can reach me out on our social media platform. Real_Dikoo. Real_Dikoo on our social media platform. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait for listen to my music too.
Okay.
I better go for listen. Get more stuffs coming up soon.
Okay.
Yeah. Lungu Lungu today out. Okay. Go stream out.
Yeah, for real.
You don't know.
Yeah, that's my brother Dikoo. He's out with a new song, Lungu Lungu. It's out on all streaming platforms, guys. You can check it out. Dikoo, last words to your fans before we wrap up.
I love you all so much. You see, you family. You don't know.
Okay.
Beye. About 1 o'clock was where Beye meeting. So Charlie, we all for catch up live.
Charlie, Beye join
everybody
is invited. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, unfortunately, we have to leave you guys to go by the name Mac Milton. You can follow us on every single platform. MS24 TV, #MS Live. Follow me as well, Mac_Milton. Love, con, guess all. Peace, I'm out.